Hi, good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. This evening I am doing an unboxing and it's the one from ASOS. So ASOS, they do a beauty box every month now because it seems to be a regular thing. Usually comes out sort of towards the end of the first week of the month. The box costs £12 a month. It's not a subscription service, so it's not something you can subscribe to. It's literally first come, first serve. As I said, the box costs £12 a month. It will have a theme behind it, so it'll have 4 or 5 things in there, a couple of full size items and a couple of say travel size, deluxe sample size products in there. It's usually very well worth the price. So you know, if you're paying £12, the value of the box tends to be well over at least double what you're paying for the box. Sometimes they have a branded theme that month, so it could be a brand like, I don't know, Bobbi Brown, Revolution Beauty or something like that, and then that box will actually cost a little bit more. So instead of £12 it will cost £15 a month. This is a £12 box. This is what it looks like. So we've got the whole snowflakes thing going on here, so a little bit of a Christmas theme going on. I did only get one box this month, so during this unboxing I'm going to be mentioning a word a few times, and so if you do hear me talking about this word whilst we're doing sort of celebrating the whole festive season, then I want you to mention that word down below and you could be in line to win this box. So I'm not actually going to keep this box. This box is actually going to be given to someone. Of course the rules are always the same. You've got to be subscribed to my channel, because if you're not subscribed you can't enter. Subscribe to my channel, and because I do check, I will close this little giveaway end of this week. So what's the date? Friday the 13th. I'll close this giveaway on Friday the 13th and I'll pick my winner on Saturday the 14th, and I will put a comment down below underneath the person's name to say you've won this box. What I'll expect the person to do is to contact me with their details, with their address details. If you don't get in touch with me sort of within 2-3 days, then I will go on and pick somebody else. It's always useful if you put your Instagram or email address, so I can always contact you that way as well. Yeah, so just listen out for the magic word. I'm pretty certain it'll be pretty obvious what the word's going to be, because I'll be talking about it during this festive season all the time. Okay, all right, let's see what ASOS have got for us during this festive season. Oh, guess look, this box is called the ultimate gift for the festive season. This month's ASOS box is the gift that keeps giving. We're talking 5 of our fave face and body goodies to give you some extra TLC throughout a busy December. Firstly, you've got Cliniques. Oh, so you've got a Clinique product in here. We've got an Origins product in here. What else have we got? We've got a Dr. Yart. Dr. Yart is something they use quite a lot in these boxes. And oh, it looks like we've got a lip balm as well. Let me show you the products we've got inside this box. So don't forget, this box is all about the festive season, so that's all good, isn't it? All right, so the first item, God, wow, this smells gorgeous. So this is obviously a bath bomb, and it's from ORB Mandarin Essential Oil and Cocoa Butter Bath Ball. Therapeutic Mandarin Essential Oil is detoxifying and anti-inflammatory. It has healing properties, can reduce pain. The aroma is an instant mood booster. Sorry about that. The aroma is an instant mood booster, helping combat anxiety. Full of healthy fatty acids and antioxidants, cocoa butter penetrates deeply into the skin to naturally heal and hydrate dry, sensitive skin. It will create silky smooth bath water. Directions: drop the bath ball in warm bath, let it fizz away. Step in and relax. Rinse the bath immediately after use. And this is from Miss Patisserie. So there we go. That's the first item. It looks fantastic, doesn't it? Wow. Honestly, it smells really nice. So whoever gets this during this festive season is going to really enjoy that. So that's the first item. The next item is the item from Clinique. I'm holding these things really carefully because the unboxing I did previously to this one, there was a broken highlighter, so my hands are a bit of a mess. I have tried to clean it, but yeah, I don't think I did that great a job. Right, let's have a look. So we've got from Clinique, and this is Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. Oh wow, oh this is cool. So I'll just open this up. So you know I like using cleansing oils to cleanse my skin. So this is naturally a balm like that. Oops. So you've got a nice cute little pot here with this. So that looks really cool. Let's see what it's like. Sorry about this. Whoever gets this, you're going to get my horrible fingerprints all over it. Okay, and that's what it looks like. So it's a proper balm product. Okay, so that's the second item in the box. That's nice actually. And honestly, I think cleansing oils and balms are the way to go when it comes to cleansing your makeup off. You just make it melt your makeup off, rinse it all off, and then probably go in with a second cleanse again with something like a gel or something, or a soap, or whatever you're using. So that's the second thing. The third thing is Carmex. So if you're going to go for a lip balm, this is one to go for. So we all know Carmex, long-lasting relief for dry, chapped lips. So this is a good lip balm. So that's the third thing in the box. Next we have from Origins, and it is Origins Plant Scription Anti-Aging Power Serum. Okay, so there we go. So there's that. So that's your fourth item. Can I read this on the back? No, I can't. Alright, there you go. And there's one more item in the box here, and we have a sheet mask, and it's a tiger grass calming mask. Cool. Looks like that. So this mask, there's directions: cleanse and apply toner. Or peel off and discard the first layer and apply. So let's say cleanse and tone your face first and then put this mask on, and it's 10 to 20 minutes. So there you go. So that's what's inside the box. So something just to help you get through your festive season, we've got a sheet mask here. We've got Carmex lip balm. We have a lovely bath bomb. Honestly, this smells really, really nice. We have an anti-aging serum, and we have a cleansing balm. Okay, so that's the ASOS box this month. Okay, so if you want to enter that giveaway, you know what you need to do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and mention down below what the magic word was in this video. So just put that down, make sure you subscribe, and please put down a way for me to contact you, so an Instagram address or an email address, and I will let the person know on Saturday the 14th, and I'll send this out as soon as I can after that. Try to make sure you get it for Christmas. So on the back of this card it basically says this month's ASOS box is the gift that keeps giving. We're talking 5 of our fave face and body goodies to give you some extra TLC throughout a busy December. Firstly, you've got Clinique's Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, the ultimate cleanser to melt away your makeup, leaving your skin feeling soft and squeaky clean. Then try Origins Plant Scription Anti-Aging Power Serum with cucumber and apple, which helps tone and plump your skin while targeting any fine lines. And for some serious pampering, sink into the tub with Dr. Yart's Cica Pear Tiger Grass Facial Mask and Miss Patisserie vegan friendly bath ball, which has festive silver sparkles and a mandarin scent. Finally, to soothe dry chapped lips over winter, the Carmex original lip balm tube provides a long lasting protective barrier with cocoa butter for a super smooth finish. There you go. Right, so one of you guys are going to get this. Good luck, go for it. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? And if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? I'm giving you all of this. All you need to do is just press that subscribe button down below, and whilst you're at it, press the little notification bell, because then that will notify you when I do my next upload. Alright guys, take care. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.